Hello everyone, here's how to make blue tea using Aparajita flowers. These are also called as butterfly pea flowers. You may use dried or fresh Aparajita flowers, water for sweetener. You may use honey, sugar, jaggery or artificial sweeteners. For additional flavors, you may try lemon, ginger, tulsi leaf, mint leaf, lemongrass, or any other ingredients you like to experiment with. Heat water in a pot and add Aparajita flowers to it. Boil it for around 6 to 10 minutes to see the desired intensity of blue color. Remove flowers using a strainer and then pour the tea into your favorite mug or glass. In my video, I've used two ingredients, that is water and Aparajita flower petals. I'm trying this for first time and I wanted to try the original taste of this blue tea. I would also recommend using a transparent glass to see and feel the magical color of this blue tea. Uh, please try this recipe, and if you like, please comment your reviews. Thank you, and like, share, subscribe.